Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring Northern Trust, accessible at www.northerntrust.com. Northern Trust is a prominent wealth management and financial services institution catering to a diverse clientele, including high-net-worth individuals, families, corporations, and institutional investors. Their website serves as a comprehensive portal to their wide array of services. Navigating the site, you'll discover information on investment management, wealth planning, banking, trust administration, and more. Northern Trust emphasizes a personalized approach to wealth management, tailoring strategies to meet specific client needs and objectives. They pride themselves on their long history of financial stability and expertise, offering sophisticated solutions designed to preserve and grow wealth across generations. Visitors to the website can explore detailed information about the company's history, leadership, and commitment to social responsibility. Northern Trust also provides market insights and research reports, offering valuable perspectives on current economic trends and investment opportunities. For those seeking tailored financial advice, the website offers contact information and resources to connect with their team of experts. Overall, Northern Trust's online presence reflects its commitment to providing comprehensive and personalized financial solutions for a discerning clientele. They offer a robust platform for individuals and institutions to explore their services and gain insights into the world of wealth management. The website's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and access the information you need, whether you are a current client or exploring potential partnerships. Northern Trust's online presence underlines their dedication to offering bespoke financial guidance and solutions, supporting their reputation as a trusted partner in the financial world. Exploring the website further reveals a deep commitment to client service, with resources dedicated to client education, secure online access, and transparent communication. It's apparent that Northern Trust prioritizes building strong, long-term relationships with its clients, providing them with the tools and support they need to navigate the complexities of wealth management. Furthermore, their commitment to innovation and technology is evident in their digital offerings, further enhancing the client experience and ensuring efficient access to essential information and services.